Welcome to Dasuhanglish. Let's learn English. Wish come true. It means an event or circumstance that aligns with a desired outcome or dream. Example. Winning the lottery was like a wish come true for the fortunate ticket holder. Message relay. It means the process of passing along information or communication from one person to another. Example. The secretary played a crucial role in the smooth message relay within the office. Subtly underscore. It means to emphasize or highlight in a subtle or subdued manner. Example. The use of soft background music subtly underscored the emotional tone of the film. Reward yourself. It means to acknowledge and treat oneself in recognition of an achievement or effort. Example. After completing a major project, she decided to reward herself with a weekend getaway. Afterthought. It means something considered or added later, often as an addition or reflection. Example. The decision to repaint the room was an afterthought in the home renovation process. After-party blues. It means a feeling of letdown or sadness experienced after a lively and enjoyable event. Example. Some people experience after-party blues when the excitement of an event comes to an end. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you find this video useful. See you in the next video.